Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best LED strip connectors is probably one of the most important, yet often overlooked, aspects of installing LED strip lights. Choosing the right connectors ensures a seamless, safe, and long-lasting lighting setup, impacting both the look and longevity of your project. This video will guide you through the selection process, helping you find the perfect connectors for your specific needs and avoid common pitfalls. Number 5. 10 packs RGB LED Strip Connectors. These connectors are designed for easy installation with 10mm wide RGB LED strips. Simply snap them together for a quick and secure connection. Say goodbye to soldering. It's a solderless design, making installation a breeze. Perfect for DIY projects and professional use. They are compatible with 10mm waterproof RGB LED strips with silicone coating. This ensures a durable and reliable connection, even in outdoor settings. These connectors provide a quick snap-down solution. This ensures a secure connection every time, without the need for any tools. It's a 4-pin connector specifically designed for 10mm wide LED strips. They are perfect for adding more lights or extending your existing setup. We stand behind our product with a 12-month return policy and a 1-year warranty. Your satisfaction is guaranteed. What we like. It boasts a solderless design for quick and easy installation. If you're a beginner or value convenience, this is perfect for you. This simple connector is ideal for quick fixes and small projects. What people say. I had to move some shelves on my entertainment center, and that meant my LED lights didn't go all the way around the shelf with the TV on it anymore. I found the leftover LEDs from when I originally installed it and used these to connect it to the main strip, and it works perfectly. These connectors are basically mandatory. There's no way I was going to have power supply boxes and extension cords hanging down every 16 or even 25 feet. So ugly. Also necessary unless I wanted one of the 2 sets from the 50-foot box to be upside down. It's just the way they are made. Not sure why they don't offer lights with the prongs on the opposite end of one set, since they have to start at the same power point and be hung in opposite directions, but these connectors save the day. After accidentally cutting our LED strip lights, we were looking for ways to fix them versus replacing, as they were through our glass railings along the deck. After a few tries it worked seamlessly and saved our views. Great idea. Number 4. JACKYLED LED Connectors. It has detachable L-shaped connectors and straight couplers. This makes it perfect for corner connections or extending straight lines. It works with any 4-pin, 10mm wide LED strip lights. Use it with waterproof or non-waterproof lights, indoors or out. No soldering is needed. Just slide the strip under the pins and snap on the clip. It's quick and easy to connect. The connectors work regardless of how the RGB plus markings are arranged. Just align the plus signs on both light strips. You get 10 L-shaped connectors, 20 clips, and 2 extra couplers. Plus, detailed instructions are included. Need help? Our online customer service team is ready to assist you. Contact us anytime. What we like. It offers both straight and L-shaped connectors for versatile applications. If you need to make both straight and corner connections, this kit is perfect. The extra connectors provide backup and flexibility for larger projects. What people say. They are easy to use. I do have experience with wiring, but not with small electronic flexible circuits, and these were straightforward and simple. Even with the offset 3-pin 10mm monster uses, using a 4-pin 10mm allowed contact with a blank space, and they work flawlessly. No issues with colors. Excellent and helpful for running LED wiring around odd bends, as they do have a little flex themselves but remain flat. Easy to use, very helpful. Number 3. Jin&Bao LED Strip Connectors. Connecting your RGB LED strip lights has never been easier. Simply slot the strip into the connector and secure it with the cover. It's that simple. It provides a secure connection without any need for complicated tools or soldering. Enjoy a firm and stable connection every time. These connectors work with a variety of RGB LED light strips, making them perfect for any project. They are a versatile solution for all your lighting needs. They're made from high-quality materials, ensuring a long-lasting and dependable connection. You can enjoy your lights without worrying about frequent replacements. Installation is quick and easy thanks to the user-friendly design. Get your LED lights up and running in minutes, hassle-free. This kit includes 40 connectors, providing ample options for your projects. You'll have everything you need for a complete and professional installation. What we like. It provides a secure and reliable connection with a simple design. If you prioritize a strong, dependable connection, this is the one for you. Its compatibility with various LED strips makes it a versatile choice for any project. What people say. They were easy to install. They have been on outdoor light strip and they have handled Texas weather. Works great for making LED strips go around corners, or when you cut and splice them together, or adding extension lines to go from one strip to the next. Kit came with everything you need. Number 2. LED Strip Connector Kit. This kit makes connecting LED strips a breeze. It's perfect for DIY projects and offers a variety of connectors for different needs. It features tin-plated copper wires with durable PVC insulation. You can easily bend it to any shape needed for your project. Installation is simple and tool-free. Just plug and play, no soldering required. This kit is perfect for connecting LED strips to controllers, splitters, or other strips. It's incredibly versatile. You get a wide variety of connectors, jumpers, gapless connectors, L and T shapes, splitters, and more. Everything you need is here. It supports 0-4A current and 0-24V voltage input, with a heat resistance from 20 to 100 degrees. It's compatible with a wide range of LED strips. What we like. It uses premium materials for durability and flexibility. If you need a robust and adaptable solution, this kit is a great choice. The wide range of included accessories makes it suitable for a variety of LED strip configurations. What people say. This kit saved the day and worked way beyond my expectations. The kit is so easy to use. This makes cutting the LED to lengths easy. Number 1. LED Strip Light Connector Kit. It features stronger, more durable L-shaped connectors and frosted mounting clips for a sleek look and secure hold. These improvements ensure a professional finish to your LED lighting project. This kit is comprehensive, including various connectors, clips, tools, and even a splitter cable. You'll have everything you need for a seamless installation. It's designed for 10mm wide SMD 50/50 RGB LED strips. Double-check your strip type before purchasing to ensure compatibility. No soldering is required. Simply open the clips, insert your light strips, and ensure the positive and negative terminals match. It's quick and easy. Use it to connect strips to each other, to a controller, or to a splitter. It's versatile enough for many lighting configurations. First, open the wire clip. Second, insert the light strip, matching positive and negative terminals. Third, close the clip and test the connection. It's that simple. What we like. It features upgraded connectors and clips for enhanced durability and aesthetics. If you value quality in a comprehensive kit, this is the best option. The wide array of included accessories and tools simplifies installation and caters to various needs. What people say. I ordered this for the wiring, 4-pin jumpers, and both brackets. The 4-pin male jumpers are worth the price by themselves, so anything beyond that is gravy. In this case, the brackets are very good, with high-quality double-stick on the strip guide brackets. Included in the set are just about every other connector you might need for an LED strip light project: wall clips, screws, a 2.0 crosspoint screwdriver and a power signal splitter cable. Gives you everything you need for your LED strip light project. Purchased this for replacing some connectors in an existing set I have which had worn out. The new connectors fit great and got everything working again perfect. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.